Hey everyone, I'm Crystal and welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. This is my second time on the channel, so it's good to be back. Again, I'm Crystal and I have experience driving for Uber and Lyft. I'm a freelance makeup artist, so it's a great way to make some extra money. Today, I'm going to be sharing my experience about 5 easy ways to make more tips. But first, before I get into the video, please like it. Just tap it or whatever, give it a thumbs up. That would help us so much. Also, feel free to subscribe to be notified when we post new videos about Uber and Lyft. So let's get started. Tip number 1, greet your passengers with a smile. A smile can go a long way and make your passengers feel a lot more comfortable getting into your car. Happy passengers equals more tips. Tip number 2, dress up or wear something nice. Presenting yourself goes a long way and provides your passenger with a better experience. This also means not smelling bad and taking a shower every once in a while. Tip number 3, drive safely and smoothly. Nobody wants a ride where their driver is driving dangerously. The safer you drive, the more compliments you'll get and the more tips you will get. Tip number 4, keep your car clean. Nobody likes a dirty car. People take Ubers as opposed to public transportation and buses because they want a clean and comfortable ride. So be sure to vacuum or wash your car every once in a while. Tip number 5, this is my favorite. Ask your passengers questions. People like feeling important, and when you ask your passengers questions, they feel special. And more than likely, they'll reciprocate and they'll ask you questions, and it will start a nice conversation. So usually my conversation starts like, "Hi, how are you doing today?" And they'll say like, "Oh, it's okay." They'll just get into their day, or usually they'll say, "It's going pretty well. How's yours?" And they'll say, "Yeah, my day is going great." And sometimes if they want to keep talking or if they want to appear friendly, they'll ask you more questions like, "So do you do this full time or do you do this part time?" And then I get to tell them that I'm a freelance makeup artist and that I do this as a way to supplement my income. And then they just are really nice. People are just really nice and they want to help. So usually they end up tipping if the conversation goes really well. So, if you're nice to them, they're more likely to tip you. Thank you everyone for watching. Again, my name is Crystal, and if you want me back on this channel, then please give this video a thumbs up. You can follow me on Instagram at Crystal R. Gonzalez. My Instagram will be in the description. Also, be sure to subscribe to the Rideshare Hub to receive more videos on Uber and Lyft. This has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. See you next time.